welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, what's good, what's poppin', what you do, baby? It is what it is. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, hit the button somewhere there to be part of the notification family. For those who don't know me, I'm Modie, the queen. Period. Anyway, I'm back with another video whereby today I'm doing something new, something that I've never done before, which is unboxing. I've been meaning to buy this thing. I've been saving. I've been asking people to help me look for a camera and whatsoever, and we made it for my channel. Okay, my channel is gonna be dope now. So yeah, I'll be doing unboxing. Please guys, bear with me because I don't know what to do and what not to do when you do unboxing thingy. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get to the video. So yeah, I already opened this box because I wanted to see everything if it's inside before we move forward. Okay, so I know and whatever. So now I'll be showing you what is inside. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, so let's get to the unboxing. What's gonna let this paper? I don't know who getting, because I think it's the getting website or whatsoever. Yeah, I think because image.canon, so I think it's there where you can like then this is the like too thick. It has all the languages here. It has all the languages. So yeah, getting started is the English part. This one, the first one, the English part. I don't know Lagona. Yeah, this is the user guide. This is their user guide for this camera. Oh, by the way, this is the Canon EOS m200. Okay, so I could say I don't know the lenses. I know nothing. 24.1 megapixel. I know nothing about that. It has also 4K. I don't know what is 4K, and dual pixel AF. I know nothing about these things. Eye detection, clear view, and it also does Wi-Fi Bluetooth connection. Yeah, let's continue. And also you get the guide also. I don't know this guide it's for what, because already we have this user guide, so I don't know this one for aim. And then now I want to use this thing, you know, there's YouTube, so I'll do the things there, I'll check the settings there, I'll do everything there. Amen. Get the version. This smart, yeah. I don't know. Then this is the charging cable. This is the charging cable. Where's the charger? With charging holder. I don't know, is it a charging holder or a what? Battery charger. Yeah, this is the battery charger. Ufagala, this is the female, then this is the male. This is the female, then this is the male. What then ufagalana. So izinto zakho zikhona is there. Then let's check the battery. Then the battery is wakamo, guys. I'm sure y'all can see. Then egg battery. then you do the things that need to be done. Okay. Yeah. You come coin now, since our trauma in our charger override everything accurate. Okay, into here. Oh, then it's okay. Then uthola camera strip or stripe, camera strip, camera whatever. It's okay. Stripe, camera stripe. Camera stripe for your, utensa camera how we be able to do the things. But as a cameraman or camera woman, you use this hobby. Anyway, then a lens here thing, and camera I very good without lens. Okay, so yeah, this is the lens here thing. How do you open it here? This is the lens, and yeah, yeah, but anyway, I think probably with someone about one kilo unboxing wise, because he's the one also everything about this camera. Okay, the main thingy here. Ba-dum ba-bum, ba-dum ba-bum, ba-dum ba-bum, Jabba-dum, ya-ya, ba-dum ba-bum, zabba-dum-ba-bum, dooby-dooby-dooby-doo. So this is the camera, Canon EOS m200. It has 4K. I don't even know what it's that 4K. I know nothing about that. Yeah, then uvulala. Okay, cause moki mohoto tenang the lens. Then lohona ikono yetsa so. Okay. For if you are vlogging, so you can see yourself here. Okay, if you are vlogging, this camera pila is for vloggers, for YouTubers. Yeah, let me say that. Then I don't know. Yeah, this is the, what's this? Okay. So okay, like it didn't take battery because already I charge it. Okay, it didn't take battery. I guess with the link out so you all can see everything about the quality, the everything. I like that guy. Yeah, Bono. Thing. Push and hold the lens. Display will turn on. Why? Attendez, non toi qui charge. What's going on? Okay. Barry, push and hold the lens, switch in direction, and then rotate the lens to the enable shooting. So ashi. What the fuck is happening, Khan? Okay. I'll try out this thing a little more. Then you push it. And you try it. Why try then the lens is sharp. There. Guys, I will like it's a big wanted to show you all the quality of this whatever, but I will like not say I don't know, guys. I don't know what is. But anyway, now I was just unboxing. I never said quality. Now I was just doing an unboxing. The quality part, I don't remember saying I want to show you the quality of this camera. So yeah, man, I think it paid. A
few moments later.
Badra, Mugyo. Where's my tripod? Mugyo. Okay, let me do a video of so y'all can see the difference. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning subscriber, what's good, what's popping, what do you do, baby? It is what it is. We're done. Let me show you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning subscriber, what's good, what's popping, what do you do, baby? It is what it is. We're done. Guys, okay. So yeah, we are done unboxing. Unfortunately, we are done for this. Okay. Unfortunately, guys, we are done for this. I like it. Unfortunately, guys, we are done for this video, for this unboxing. I hope you all did enjoy this video, even though bambalang I was like specific. I told you guys to bear with me, and you're dead if we feel far. Okay, so without wasting any time, without, you know what I mean. So yeah, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like till we meet again. Bye guys.